Today we'll be reviewing the Aryo Play LED note board with lights. So let's check out what's in the box. So here is the acrylic note board, which we'll be writing on. Comes with a user manual. I believe these are cleaning wipes. And some markers, 12 different colors, and also a little wipe to clean the screen. In the bottom here, looks like this is the stand that goes to it. So let's put it all together. It looks like it's adjustable, so you can move it and tilt it in different directions. There is a removable protective film on both sides of this that needs to be removed prior to any use. So let's go ahead and take that off. To get the note board to stand up, you're just going to want to tilt the top portion so that it holds the acrylic note board in place just like that. Now it does not come with any AC adapter that goes on here, so you will have to plug it in either directly to a USB port, or if you have an adapter, which I do have and I'll put that on here in a second, you can plug it into any standard outlet in your home. So if you do have one of these, you can just plug this in and then use it in any just standard outlet you have at your house. But again, this does not come with it in the set. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see what it looks like. And you can see the LED lights all around it light up. So now let's go ahead and just start putting some markers on here and see what that looks like. So you can just write on here and you'll notice that the words are gonna go ahead and light up too. This is good for kind of like a message board in an office, or if you have kids, this is something that they would love to play with, to be able to draw things and have it light up, which is really cool. Forgive my handwriting, but let's take a look at what this looks like if you turn it off. You can see it's very faint on there, but the colors do light up really well when you turn it on. So again, there's 12 colors that come with it. It's a dry erase board. Another thing you can do with this is if you have kids, you can use this as a nightlight for them, and it can actually light up the room just like a nightlight would, and just kind of put a fun message on there for them. If you have a restaurant, you could always use this to display maybe some of the specials of the day, things like that. Just kind of put it on a countertop. Anything like that would kind of just make this a fun little addition. So this is the cloth that comes with this kit, and let's just go ahead and wipe off the dry erase. It is recommended that you use a little water on the microfiber cloth just so that you can wipe off any letters or designs and things like that. And it's easier to come off that way, and also it doesn't scratch the acrylic surface. And then we're back to where we started from, good as new, and you can put a new message on there and do whatever you want. Make sure you check in the description for the link to this light board so you can pick one up today.